Miguel Medina with XYZ Roofing and Restorations. We are performing an inspection right now on a property that it was on the path of the storm of Friday the 8th. As you can probably see, it looks like a brand new roof. Actually, it was installed in 2012. From the street, you're not able to notice the damage, but let me show you. Over here on the shingles, you're able to see how this piece of the shingle is damaged. This is considered a hail hit, and what it does is that it removes the granulate on top of the shingle. Over here we have another one, and all the roof is like that. So this was clearly impacted by hail. Also, on the soft metal, which is the back, you can see some hits. Obviously, this type of damage, you're not able to see it from the ground. That's why it's really important for you guys to schedule an inspection with XYZ Roofing and Restorations at 956-230-2259. Give us a call.